So this latest development kind of feels like a fallen tree in a forest. Double Olympic 800 meters champion Caster Semenya winning an appeal of sorts when the European Court of Human Rights ruled against the Swiss government for not overruling the Court of Arbitration for Sport's refusal to overturn the rule by World Athletics that Semenya must take testosterone reducing medication if she wants to continue to compete. You confused? Me confused too. Seriously though, this continues to be a highly divisive issue, with one school of thought being that Semenya was born how she was born and she did not take any prohibited substance. Whatever is in her body was all natural, so she must be allowed to compete as a woman. Another school of thought is that sport is competed in distinct gender categories, men and women, and with elevated levels of male hormone, testosterone, it gives Semenya an unfair advantage over other women with normal testosterone levels. So something must be done. And look, it's no laughing matter, but the Maverick agrees with the latter.